Hi friends, welcome to the second part of the video of unboxing of Envent LiveFree 530 BT Bluetooth portable speaker. Friends, I forgot to mention in my last video about the size of this speaker as well as the weight. I would say the weight of this speaker is pretty much lightweight. You can actually carry this speaker in your handbag. This will not give you any extra luggage or any extra weightage of this speaker. And now let's turn on this speaker and let's hear a music and let's check out how this actually sounds. Now I'm trying to connect my phone to this Bluetooth speaker.
Start.
Alright, so I'm now trying to connect to the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, so friends, we are now connected to the Bluetooth speaker. Let me just play a music. Here I'm having a song from a movie Pagi. You all must have heard it. So let's check out the same song on this speaker, how it plays. Okay, so we have two options over here. Either I can increase the volume using my phone, or we can increase the volume using the speaker. If you increase it from this Bluetooth speaker, there is a point where you get a beep sound which tells you that this is the maximum volume this speaker can give you from its end. Alright, so now it's up to your phone or any other device which is connected to increase the volume. So let me increase the volume using my phone and let's check the sound. Let's start jumping, my heart goes pumping. I love you in every way. तो नाचो आज छम 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 छम. Right friends, so we have heard the high and we have heard the low of this speaker, and that's the maximum sound it can attain using my phone. So hope this video is useful for you all, and let me just tell you about the cost of this device. This device is available for the price of 2.3K, and if there are any discounts or any other offer available, you can get it much cheaper rate. And definitely if it's on a discount and you are getting this say below 1.5K, I would say in that range this speaker is really good. You can definitely go for it because the sound, the clarity you get by this speaker, it's amazing. It's very loud, it's very clear, and yes, it's 10 watt speaker actually, and two channels, so definitely it has that capacity to give you a powerful sound. So if you have a tight budget, then definitely you should go for this. Otherwise, there are various brands available in market which can give you awesome sound, definitely, but you need to pay hard cash for that. So yes, if you are thinking something under 1.5K, provided there is a sale going on this product, you can definitely go for it. From my side, I would say yes to this product. So friends, hope you all liked the video. Do give me your feedback, and thanks for watching. Bye.